Hello, class of 2021. For those of you who don't know me, I am Mrs. Messing. And because I can't come see you in person right now, I wanted to send out a quick video to talk to you about baccalaureate. What is baccalaureate? Well, I can't speak of what baccalaureate is to everyone else, but I can kind of tell you about what it means for the students at Reese High School. It's a chance for you to come together with your classmates, no matter what you believe, and kind of be with them in a special setting. The feelings that come out of this when you're all done, it's hard to describe, but it's just a really special time to be with your classmates who you've been with for a very long time, and in a few weeks you may never see again. You guys have had a roller coaster high school career, and to be able to come together with your classmates, wish, pray, hope for them in your futures is just it's just really a cool experience. So first thing I want to do is invite you all to Baccalaureate. We'll be sending out more information about that. It will be held in the auditorium. You do get to wear your caps and gowns, so if you spent money on those, it's another chance to wear them besides graduation. The second thing I wanted to ask is Baccalaureate isn't about me. It's not about any of the adults. It's about you guys. It's about your class. So I need help. I need some students to want to participate, who want to help plan. We need a theme. We need to maybe pick some readings, um, music. Again, it's about you guys. And this is your baccalaureate, and this is your opportunity to kind of send your classmates off with best wishes for the future. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll do the best I can to answer them. Mrs. Cornelius will be letting you know when we're having our planning meeting. So make sure you look for that. And just know, guys, how extremely proud I am of you guys and how special you are to our whole school. So stay safe, and I hope to see you soon.